What's up, family? So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to go hit the subscribe button right now. I'm in Kariba, so this is like a drive-through in Kariba or something like that. So make sure to like this video, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe on Craig Marshall channel. Inopa nya my videos and yeah. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, guys, please go hit the subscribe button. Shout out to everyone watching.
It now stretches to even 180 meters because Zambezi still flows, and erosion is still happening. So Ichirungo Iroda going down. So Tanima 180, but the official depth is 120. But the average depth is 20 meters.
So you are telling me this is man-made?
This is the man.
Huh?
We had to build a wall on Zambezi River. Yakazobata Bray. Yes, to me. Until it gets to the Indian Ocean. Then a feeder into the Indian Ocean. Yeah. So Zambezi River becomes our physical demarcation between Zimbabwe and Zambia. So that gives us 55% of the lake as Zimbabwe. Then Zambia, we share, but the bigger chunk of the lake is actually on the Zim side. So we have 55% and Zambia owns 45%. But in terms of resource utilization, Zambia, in terms of my carpenter rigs, the boats that are used to catch carpenter, they actually have got more boats than us. Because Zimbabwe, it's one permit for one boat. Zambia, it's one permit for as many boats as you like. When they did a survey in 2012, we had a family that had 75 boats, 2 brothers. We had 75 carpenter rigs. Okay. But one permit. Saka kuno kumutemo mahinoti one boat, one permit. Saka kuno kumutema boats mashoma than Zambia. So in terms of fishing now, they are overfishing that side. So they sometimes go to the same side, signing up poaching. Because your permit in a boundary. So the moment you encroach, which you put a boundary, you are now poaching. Okay. Yes. Saka here's my carpenter boats. Those are the boats that I'm going to use. They're blackish. No, my boats are the carpenter. So my carpenter now is they came from Tanzania. Yeah, those are Igbos here. Igbo batuzo. Kupano ni batuzo wewe. Vanhu kwa varapo. Vanhu fisha.
Vai yatero para chaira hivi.
Endai papa muone.
Badino ku ataka.
Hey, Igbo kills more people in a year than a land.
Kunyemba.
Nice. Alati. Amaka kuno kutia nyanga yakadai.
Aleta mokusika kuno.
Daibo jeje usaka. Akaramba kuterera kaka takambokuya hayi watakakuya. Nakonga hakuna nyoka hivi. Nyoka zilipo bati ni pokole ndio. Kama ndio dawa. All right. I'm fine.
a fish here in Yanga. Oh, no, that's a competition. I would go there for minimum of 3 months. For any 3 years, at a minimum of 3 months. Okay. When I get a bribe, there's a better because my bribe is not. Kuna. Guys, from my moon's back, Kuna. The reason why when I share Kuna, we have got a wave that blows from this side, and it runs a boomy or a binger. And if from school, you know, Zitare Mepo is given from the direction it is coming from.
Yes, this was
if it's an easterly wind, it's coming from the east. So it's booming because of the areas that Uku. So Makarwe, the sensitive part here, crocodiles is this part.
They go pass up.
And that's the expensive panel if you are selling. And it's
okay.
Yeah, upper. So macrocs, because of the wave that comes this way, they actually bounce on the rocks.
Okay.
So they move away from this area. Then we end up connecting wind barriers, where there are also weeds, and there will be fish feeding on the weeds, and there will be people fishing as well. So you also become prey.
Okay.
Yourself and the fish.
Yeah.
Saka kunoku you rarely see anything that is dangerous. So people sometimes they swim. Though it's a risky, it's really risky because Atina anything that divides to say my crocs are at that side.
Yes.
But you cannot spin mvura. You get to a place where you can actually see.
Yes.
So that you are safe.
My message. I'm running out.
Okay. And it Saka at Chawana Marok Force. I had a finishing you guys.
So I to see
I'm a China road dinner. Young and it's the one was such a Congress establish. I'm going to go pay the alcohol. Machine of Mauto Really? Sabato from about the sort of post station.
What is the post station? What is on the man who pass up?
Banana Passation.
ADT1.
Abando, this is an exit emergency channel.
You want what pass?
Can I manage to take over? I comes up. Post station. Couldn't channel. You have to plan a post station.
You have the more as
from there. Cross. I'm going to grey machine. That's a question about you. Couldn't channel Gom. So directly opposite this side. Don't nobody turn away this open power station. So Baba office white yo, I'm sorry boy. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. Could zika straight down 200 meters. Open a power station. We should about first floor. Mune cooling system yokuti ukapinda momo you lose track of time. You lose track of time.
Okay. Dangerous.
Speed straight.
Speed limit
20 not 10 right. To Pinda Bakapa. And straight. Straight, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Straight, then you turn right.
Oh,
going to Bakapa. Exit.
Kariba Dam wall.
So in terms of length, holding Kariba 617 meters from here to there. I'm sorry, I don't think crest length.
Okay.
617. Then from this wall to that wall, 18 meters. Then the height, 128. Then the foundation is wider than the top part, 24 meters. So no,
oh,
back in the 50s, and they spray water cement on the manograder, or spray water cement on the wall. Oh my God. So they avoid Maroc Falls. The flood that happened in 1958, it washed away part of the wall. It then made the cost to rise to 222 million pounds. And this was British funded and that is a colony of Britain. So there is the official opening of the Kariba demo. That's Queen Elizabeth and the Tonga chiefs from either side. From either side is Zimbabwe and so Mom cut the power station. Then I was talking of Zimbabwe Heights built using the same cement, Chilanga cement, which was used to construct our Kariba demo. This is one of the houses, and this is 24 November 1960. 24 November 1960. And all those houses, they were built between 1960 and 1965. Using that same cement. So there's no renovation that you can do besides paint. Then also, we then go to Operation No. We had to build our wall from 1956, Then 59, water was accumulating on the backside. From 59 right up to 1963. In 1963, that's when we had a full capacity of Lake Kariba. So from 59, because of the water levels that were rising, animals were running on the higher ground for GNI. So those animals now, they needed a rescue. And there was a guy who was called Rupert. Zambia, Mozambique and Zimbabwe, the two taught. So you can take a pic of this, then you can read later. Who's that student? Madoma. What is going to talk about? In Korea, right up.
Okay.
Let's go. So we're done. Let's go. Time, guys.
Yeah, it was in Zambia. I think one of
name for shoreline. The reason why it happened in the houses that housed Manwakawaka Kariba demo, my block houses. I think we should have a community toilets. A community toilets there would be public toilets. Man, we said up about right. When toilet you wanna. When up when toilet you want. So still the case. My blocks in the way. We will see them clearly at us. It was Younger Federation and we still had Rhodesia and Nyasaland. Those the better gates. And we said up and she has a toilet here. We said and they said up and she has a toilet. And what that's remained for my bachelors. And but here is one my families. These are my extensions now. What is that? Takuna my extensions. Now already Murenga Japan. Saka get that with 2 rooms. Saka they are very low. There's no peace and not ideal for Kariba. Zakama kwa ifo ngari ma temporary structures. Construction is better. They move out. So when Wakawaka Kariba demo, some were from Mozambique, some were from Malawi, some were from Zambia, and Trima locals. So people who came from Zambia, they were settled in one area which was called Kafue. So Kafue, and it's straight. Then people who came from Malawi, they were settled in one place, in the Blantyre. So we have Blantyre in Mawombe Kombe. So Mawombe Kombe is an umbrella name, and it. Then Fort Jameson. Fort Jameson, they came from Mozambique. That's Fort Jameson. So when I go up, they were settled in one place. When the children change, you know, towers were fun, so it was easy. ndozvaiti blanta iri kumusoro mangosoma zvino 1 so kwese to the left vananda zvima-houseboats zvima-speedboats vanda zvecarpenter but inonzi andora harbor mostly ndema-houseboats pana vanhu vatine the biggest boat houseboat in Kariba around the Zambezi trade ne 25 rooms a presidential suite and 4 floors going up.
Wow.
isusu vanhu vatema manje problem yatireta i1 unlike zvinoita varungu bot inenge rine capacity ye12 tine an extension project yakaitwa paKariba demo yavaiwedzera 2 generators. The old power station had 6 generators. One producing 125 megawatts times 6, that's 750. So we added 2 new generators. So this setup in Ababai, that's the transmission point for 1 generator. And Tima cables are pinned in the power line. I will drive. There's one again. So these are the two transmission points for the 2 generators in power station. Power station is underground.
Power station is underground.
Power station in pass.
I want to go
Kuva office is ZPC but to go into the power station it's 200 meters going down. What? Never dark. So I will show you the tunnel that goes into the power station. If you want to go there, turn left. But we'll come back this way and we turn right.
Alright, no problem.
Katakuva we're turning left today. About turning left going up. Katakuva we're turning but now not kids on the Zimri. So that we see where they derived the name Kariba.
The bay, right?
That's the area of view of Kariba Bay Hotel, the 5-star hotel I was talking about. Yeah. Yes.
Then this little island wakusvika kuSanyati Gorge there.
But is it there? Before we do that, I don't know where we can get quickly food. And so that but total I find a ready food there. Oh, just go check.
Okay.
It's fine. It's okay.
Background, you're not good. We are put Crocodile farm. And no noise.
Whoa, can't live without you. Oh, 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 oh. I can't breathe without your love. Your love. Talk.